Git repository has email settings. GitHub uses the email address you set in your local Git configuration to associate commits with your GitHub account. So how to set your local Git email address? Using the command line. Git is a command line tool. The git configure command can be used to change your Git configuration settings, including your email address. It takes 2 arguments. You tell git configure what you want to set. It's user.email. Set user email for the Git repository. Then you give it the new email address. For example, your email at example.com. Be sure to use your own real unique email address. Setting your email address for a single repository do not affect other repositories in different directory. You may need to set a different email address for a single repository, such as work email address for work-related project and home email address for private software project. First, you open terminal, then you go to the repository, then you type in the command at the prompt, command line prompt, git space, a field space, configure, a mouth field space. Then you give it your user.email. You specify what you want to configure. It's user.email. Then you give it your email address. Double quote it, your email address. This is the way you set your email address. You can confirm it by git configure user.email. How to set the global email address for every repository on your computer. You open terminal. Set your email address with the following command. It's same as to set the email address for a single repository. The difference is you add an option, --global. You tell the configure. Git configure command, it's a global setting. So you type in the command git followed by a field space, configure followed by a field space, then --, global. You tell it it's a global setting, then followed by a field space. Tell it what you are going to configure. It's user.email, then followed by a field space. You double quote your email address inside the double quotes, the beginning quote and the ending quote. I remember single quote is also workable. Then you finish the setting for the global repository, all the repository on your computer. It will be the default email address. Then you can check it by git configure, the same command without the new email address setting. It's git configure --global user.email. It will show the email address for the global setting. Okay, this is very simple to set the email address for your Git repository. It's necessary for when you are working with GitHub. You can find the message at this website, this web page. It's GitHub help. And another useful website about to learning Git is git-scm.com. It has book, reference, video, and a lot link, blog, download, community, documentation, everything about Git. You can find at git-scm. Okay, these are 2 useful websites to learn things about Git. Okay, we talk about how to set email address in Git repository for single repository or for global repositories on your computer. Very simple. Hope the information is helpful. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.